Hey guys, it's MonkeyHappy. Oh, and it's Monkey Mondays and it's monkey bath time. First we're gonna let MonkeyBoo take his quick bath, and then I've got him a nice tub to soak in here while we give Happy a bath. So, but you gotta go first. Show your brother how to do it. Gotta get y'all cleaned up. You're dirty. I'll go out to the face in my water. Happy, sit on my shoulder and watch Boo. We're gonna get the water temperature just perfect there, Boo. Happy, you gotta take a bath too. Hurry, Boo. It's just chilly, man. There you go. Go ahead now. Good job. Alright, Boo. He's a dirty monkey. Yeah. We're gonna do a real quick bath so you can soak for a little bit. Oh, yeah. Good job, MonkeyBoo. We got your special soap tub. Happy's all over the place. What are you doing, Happy? MonkeyBoo's tail and his backside. His feet and stuff, yeah. Gotta get your belly, man. Boo, you're doing so good. Little soap for the arms. Get this one. His hands. And look, Boo, I got a SpongeBob towel to wash your face with. I'll put it in here and let it soak for a minute. Happy, you're getting yours done too. Alright, good job. Now it's time to get Happy his bath. Let's wash Boo's face off. Good, Boo. It's SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Here, let me see your face. That's a good Boo. Good Boo's. Clean his ears. Alright, Boo. Alright, Boo, would you like to do a transfer? Here, I'll get these out of there. So I don't like those in there. Go ahead. Oh, how's that? You like that? Water's a little deep. That's good. Get you a nice soak in, Boo. Got you some snacks here, sir. Alright, Happy, come on here. It's time for your bath. Are you ready, buddy? Here we go. Let's get Happy all wet. Oh, I hear Mila jumping around. She wants a bath too. Oh, Happy's dirty. Oh, I already got his belly too. She's doing good, Happy. I need a tomato. Get me through this. Let's get his tail. Happy's got a big, long, pretty tail. And a little happy monkey backside. Alright, let's rinse you off. Happy, you're doing good. You're not jumping all over the place. Not too bad. Here, get your belly good. Belly time. Good job, Happy. Alright, we gotta wash your face off. Whoa, where are you going though, monkey? Let me get your face. Alright. Oh, I got it. Let me see. His ears. Won't mess your hair up. You look cool, Happy. Alright, one more time. There we go. Alright, Happy, that's over with. Now I got him all wrapped up. Oh. It always smells good. Nice dry monkey butt. Oh, you guys want to see Happy's feet? They're gigantic. He's like, I got big feet. Boo, what are you doing? Huh? Alright, Mr. Boo. Cheesehead. You ready to come out of your soak? Come up here. Good job, Boo. Kind of made a mess there in the sink. That's all right. We'll clean it up. Get it sterilized. Yeah. Where's Boo? You gotta help me dry him off, Happy. Monkey Monday on Happy's channel. Double monkey bath. Yeah. This has been fun, hasn't it? Boo said, well, yes. So you guys seen Boo soaking, loving the warm, hot water. He said, oh, I feel all relaxed and stuff. I'm ready to start my day. Happy, you did really good on your bath, too. Yeah. Tell everybody, say, thank you guys for watching. Look, tell them, Happy. Oh, he's giving you guys kisses. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Boo's having another snack and a head whip for you guys. Boo, you're a good boy. Let's give me some handshakes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Monkey Mondays. Double monkey bath.